founding anniversary of the Discalion Grand Fraternity, we honor the strength, discipline, and brotherhood that have guided generations of Triskelions. Your journey of more than 5 decades reflect a commitment to unity, service, and leadership that continues to inspire communities across the nation. Sa bawat taon po na lumilipas, patuloy na ipinapakita ng Triskelion ang kahalagahan ng pagkakaisa, malasakit at pagtutulungan. Ang inyong mga proyekto at inisyatibo ay naging patunay na ang tunay na kapatiran ay hindi lamang para sa isa't isa, kundi para rin sa mas malawak na lipunan ng ating pinaglilingkuran. As you celebrate this milestone, may you remain steadfast in living out the Triskelion principles with honor and integrity. And may this anniversary serve as a reminder of your enduring mission to uplift lives and to be a force of good in our communities. Ako po ay proud na maging kasama ninyo. Mabuhay po ang Triskelion Grand Fraternity and congratulations on our 57th year.